car like this.
Come on, the car wash closed in 15 minutes.
No, but I don't like that this shit is like in the way though.
What?
This
shit. So break it. What the on?
No, stop. No. What the you gonna break the reverse mirror for? Whoever that has made cars, gang, you gotta bust that nigga, gang. Hold on, so who invented cars?
Thomas Edison.
Put on God.
But why do I have to put on God? Thomas Edison.
Thomas Edison made the light bulb.
And cars. He made the first car.
Thomas Edison made a light bulb.
And the first car.